actually. One that comes to mind is Schedule C. Schedule C on the 1040 is the most audited form because it's low hanging fruit for the IRS. Okay. It's just right there. And if they see things like um, rounded whole numbers as your expenses on your Schedule C. And by the way, if you don't know what a Schedule C is, it's just the sole proprietor business form, rather rather that being a separate um, tax form to file separately. It's just the one that is embedded into your 1040. Okay, which the 1040 is your individual tax return. So if they see rounded numbers, that's automatically a red flag. If they see no income and expenses only on the Schedule C, that's an automatic audit. And if the federal government doesn't catch it, the state will. The state will catch it first and try to do an audit first, and then IRS will come in and try to do an audit. So you want to avoid that. And yes, specific forms, Schedule C, Schedule E, those get audited a lot. Um, what other forms? If you didn't properly do like a change of accounting, that form could be audited because it's a rarity, and if it's not properly filed, yes, and I think that's Form 3115. Oh, if you're doing a 1031 exchange, um, and you do not complete that form, and we can kind of talk about the 1031 exchange too, but there's a form, and I can't think of it off top, guys. I know we're live, but I can't think of the form off top. But there's a form that you report your 1031 exchange to on your 1040 if you're filing Schedule E, because Schedule E is already a whoop whoop. I'm gonna audit that first if it looks weird, right? And then if you're doing a 1031 exchange and that's not properly completed, yeah, it's going to be audited. So those are some really good forms to think about. And then how to mitigate that risk, is again, that comes through planning. So those are all the questions